Мезанин. Меѓупростор на Радио Равел. Музичка емисија. Мезанин. 96 FM. Мезанин. Мезанин. Мезанин.
Добро вечер и добре дојдовте во 113-тото издание на Мезанин, меѓупросторот на Радио Равел. Вечерва во емисијата Sonic Youth, PJ Harvey, 3 Minutes in the Rain, Франц Фердинанд, Бен Харпер. Доколку ви се допаѓа изборот, останете со нас се до 22 часот. А овој Мезанин го отвораме со една прекрасна тема поместена на албумот Bone Machine. Го слушаме Tom Waits со I Don't Wanna Grow Up. Tom Waits, I Don't Wanna Grow Up, а кој сака да порасне, нели, за отворење на овој Мезанин, тема поместена на прекрасниот Bone Machine, албум од 1993 година, еден од моите омилени од овој автор. Том Waits е човек кој му одолева на времето и музичар кој многу фино ја води својата ентертејнмент кариера, подпомогнат од неговата жена Кетлин Бренан. Освен што прави музика, Waits направи неколку забележителни филмски улоги, откривајќи го како интересен филмски лик пред се Джим Джармуш во неговиот култен наслов Down by Law или Под законот. Океј, значи се враќаме 13 години наназад до прекрасниот Bone Machine, од кога ќе чуеме уште неколку теми, и тоа Earth Died Screaming, потоа Dirt in the Ground, All Stripped Down, The Ocean Doesn't Want Me и пророчката Jesus Gonna Be Here. Ајде, Tom Waits.
So powder, put it in the skull. I walk between the raindrops. I weed in Bug House Square, and the army ants. They leave nothing but the bones. And you're not screaming, I'm dreaming. Well, you're not screaming, I'm dreaming. Well, you're not screaming, I'm dreaming of you. There was thunder, there was lightning, and then the stars went out, and the moon fell from the sky. It rained mackerel, it rained trout, and a great day of wrath has come. And here's mud in your big red eye, and the poker's in the fire, and the locusts take the sky. And you're not dreaming, while you're dreaming. Well, you're not dreaming, while you're dreaming. Well, you're not dreaming, while you're dreaming. While you're dreaming of you.
Devedeset i šest FM. Mezanin, 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 mezanin.
What does it matter? A dream of love or a dream of lies? They're all gonna be the same place when we die. Spirit don't leave knowing the face or your name. Wind through your bones is all that remains. And we're all gonna be here. I say we're all gonna be, yeah, yeah. I say we're all gonna be, yeah, yeah. I say we're all gonna be just dead in the ground. The quill from a buzzard, blood writes the word. I wanna know, am I the sky or a bird? Hell's boiling over, and heaven is full. We're chained to the world, and we all gotta pull, and we're all gonna be, yeah, yeah. I said we're all gonna be, yeah, yeah. I said we're all gonna be, yeah, yeah. I said we're all gonna be just dead in the ground. Now the killer was smiling with nerves made of stone. Climbed the stairs and the gallows groaned, and the people's hearts were pounding. They were throbbing, they were red. He swung out over the crowd. I heard the hangman said, we're all gonna be, yeah, yeah. I said we're all gonna be, yeah, yeah. I said we're all gonna Cain slew Abel, killed him with a stone. Sky cracked open, the thunder groaned along a river of flesh. Can these dry bones live? Take a king or a beggar, and the answer he'll give is we're all gonna be. Yeah, yeah, I said we're all gonna be. Yeah, yeah, I said we're all gonna be. Yeah, yeah, I said we're all gonna be just dirt in the ground. We're all gonna be just dirt in the ground. We're all gonna be just dirt in the ground. I said we're all gonna be just dirt in the ground. Well, we're all gonna be just dirt in the ground.
1, 2, 3. Мезанин. Деветдесет и шест FM. Мезанин.
The ocean doesn't want me today, but I'll be back tomorrow to play. And the strangers will take me down deep in their prime. envious brain chills down into the endless blue wine. I'll open my head and let out all of my time. I'd love to go drowning and to stay, but the ocean doesn't want me today. I'll go in up to here, it can't possibly hurt. All they will find is my beer and my shirt. A riptide is raging and the lifeguard's away. But the ocean doesn't want me today. But the ocean doesn't want me today. The ocean doesn't want me today.
Eden, dva, tri. Mezanin.
Well, Jesus gonna be here. He gonna be here soon, yeah. He's gonna cover us up with leaves, with a blanket from the moon, yeah. With a promise and a vow, and a lullaby for my crown. But Jesus gonna be here, gonna be here soon, yeah. I'm not gonna do nothing but wait here. I don't have to shout, yeah. I got me no reason, yeah, and I got no doubt, yeah. I'm gonna get myself unfurled from this mortal coil of world. Jesus gonna be here soon, yeah. I got to keep my eyes, to keep them wide open, yeah, so I can see my Lord, yeah. I'm on a wonderful horizon from a brand new fall, yeah. Well, I could hear 'em rolling on down the lane. I said, Hollywood be thy name, 'cause Jesus gonna be here. He's gonna be here soon, yeah. Well, I got to keep myself faithful, and you know that I've been so good, yeah. Except for drinking, but he knew that I would, yeah. And when I'm gonna leave this place better than the way I found that it was, and Jesus gonna be here, he's gonna be here soon, yeah. I know my Jesus gonna be here, he's gonna be here soon, yeah. I know my Jesus gonna be here, gonna be here soon, yeah.
Бакни го звукот. Мезанин.
Слушате Мезанин на 96 FM, по Том Вејц одиме со уште едно име од американската музичка сцена. Калифорнија е неговата инспирација, се работи за господинот Бен Харпер, кој во изминативе 10 години не почести со неколку фантастични албумски остварувања, меѓу кои веројатно предничи Welcome to the Cruel World од 1994 година. Бен Харпер вечерва го слушаме со 5 теми од овој албум, и тоа The Three of Us, Weeping Boy, мојот фаворит, Breaking Down, Don't Take That Attitude to Your Grave и Waiting on an Angel. Додека го очекувате ангелот на вашата врата, друштво ќе ви прави Бен Харпер. Одиме!
...96 FM. Мезанин, 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 мезанин.
Well, you can lead me where I want you to. You feed me, oh, I like that too. But don't you leave me, I won't follow you. Listen here, I don't fear, I don't want to be your whipping boy. Oh, you can tease me, oh, how I want you to. And you can squeeze me, baby, I like that too. But don't you leave me, I won't follow you. Yes, yeah. I don't fear, I don't want to be your whipping boy.
1, 2, 3. Мезанин.
You don't believe that I love you, and even if that was true, why just to keep our unhappy home, I'm gonna try to pretend that I do, and I'm breaking down, I'm breaking down, I'm breaking down. Baby, she left me, said she ain't coming back around. And I'm breaking down, oh, I'm breaking down. And if I thought that it was okay for a grown man to cry, I would have filled up the whole mighty ocean when she goodbye. And I'm breaking down, oh, I'm breaking down, I'm breaking down, oh, I'm breaking down. You know my baby, she left me, she said she ain't coming back around. And I'm breaking down. Oh, one day you said everything was just right. I don't see how it changed overnight. One day you said everything was so strong. The next day you turn to me and say it's been wrong all along. Was just right. I don't see how to change your life. One day you said it was so strong, and the next day you said it has been wrong all along. Oh, and now you won't even look at me. You pass me by in the street and you won't speak. I never meant to call you any harm. How could two people start so close and end up so far? I'm breaking down, whoa, I'm breaking down. I'm breaking down, I'm breaking down, I'm breaking down.
FM. Мезанин.
You say what's mine is mine, and what's yours is mine too. Now you've got more than you can spend, but all of the money in the whole wide world is not gonna help you in the end. Now while there's still time to be saved, don't take that attitude to your grave. Might be too late for you, I'm afraid. So don't take that attitude to your grave. Don't you take it there. I hear helicopters over my house every day, shining their lights and flying low. Treat a child like a criminal from the day that he is born, and you're gonna reap just what you sow. Now while there's still time to be saved, don't take that attitude to your grave. Might be too late for you, I'm afraid. I don't take that attitude with you to your grave. Don't you take it there. So you can move your court case way across town. You can move it across the whole wide globe. But it ain't gonna help your court case up in the sky. You go to put on your white robe. Now while there's still time to be saved, don't take that attitude to your grave. Might be too late for you, I'm afraid. Don't you want it there? Don't you take it there? Dare the children stay off of drugs. How dare you to stop letting them in? And how dare you point your finger at a gang out on the street while it's you who is committing the sin. Now while there's still time to be saved, don't take that attitude to your grave. Might be too late for you, I'm afraid. Don't take that attitude to your grave. Don't you take it there. They don't want it there. No, your mother taught you better. Take that attitude to your grave.
Eden, dva, tri. Mezanin.
Waiting on an angel, one to carry me home. Hope you come to see me soon, 'cause I don't wanna go alone. I don't wanna go alone. Now, angel, won't you come by me? Angel, hear my plea. Take my hand, lift me up so that I can fly with thee, so that I can fly with thee. And I'm waiting on an angel, and I know it won't be long to find myself a resting place in my angel. So speak kind to a stranger, 'cause you'll never know. It just might be an angel come, oh, knocking at your door. Come knocking at your door, and I'm waiting on an angel, and I know it won't be long to find myself a resting place in my angel's arms, oh, in my angel's arms. Waiting on an angel, one to carry me home. Hope you come see me soon, 'cause I don't wanna go alone. I don't wanna go alone. Don't wanna go. I don't wanna go alone.
По фантастичниот Бен Харпер одиме со Sonic Youth, едни од легендите на њујоршката даунтаун музичка сцена. Sonic Youth како никогаш досега ја искристализираа својата визија за тоа како треба да звучи нивната музика и со секој албум создаваат се подобра и поискрена музика. Во вечерашното издание на Мезанин ги слушаме соничните со 3 теми од нивниот нов албум Sonic Nurse, или се уште актуелен албум, нели? Издаден на 8 јуни минатата година. Dripping Dreams со вокалот на Thurston Moore, потоа Paper Cut Exit на Ли Риналдо и I Love Golden Blue низ гласот на Ким Гордон е равномерната распределба на соничните улоги во следните 10 минути. Sonic Youth, уживајте!
Sick and set design and junk. The grocery bags leave all the colors drunk. The text of confusion and joy. A pink plastic pressing for breath. That's right, he's gone. Wrapped up, chiffon, sealed tight, hung up, street mouth, sackcloth. The shards of sweet shine, the voice and flute. The street mouth echoes the blues can do. Girlfriends will love the way we clip. I split release on the thrash mat. On top, a drop. Fake blood, fresh mud. They're gone for good, except this one. Howling scriptures to the mother earth. the mamas with the money eyes. This kind of love comes as no surprise. A caught shadow in Sacramento. The little darlings describe the scene. A blurring notions of a dripping dream. We've been searching for the cream dream wax. Late killers make the meters crack. A caught shadow in Sacramento. A blurring notions of the dripping dream. The kind of girls with the money eyes. Howling scriptures to the mother earth. But mother Africa, awake your song. Caught shadow in Sacramento. And little dollars describe the scene. To all the mamas with the money eyes. Apparent notions of the dripping dream. This kind of love comes in any size.
96 FM Mezanin.
Skimming the tops of tall trees, through the clear light of free speech, a sudden memory dis-ease claims the air all around me. I get lost in the slipstream, maybe relive the same dream of coming in from the cold and losing half of my soul. Memory disease across the United States, that I had told the truth. Feel so high, architectural, I look to the skies, see our bodies. They were rising up out of the paper cup. The sea changes too. Idols infest you. Touchdown on the new Mason-Dixon. Line up map is ripped and torn. Tilted frame with all gone. I don't mind if you sing a different song. Sing a different song. 'Cause as long as you sing, sing along. It's later than it seems. It's later than it seems. It's later than it seems. Time everyone came clean. It's what you didn't say. It's what you didn't say. Don't wanna be a slave. It's what you didn't. Skimming the tops of tall trees, through the clear light of free speech. I'm coming in for a landing. I got a soul understanding. It all comes down to a word. It's just like nothing I heard. Over the rainbow in time, will be one hell of a climb. say. It's what you didn't say. Don't wanna be a slave. It's what you didn't say. Nothing to give away.
Devedeset šest FM Mezanin.
golden blue. I miss you. Shine all on. I miss you. Don't know to do. I don't glitter like the stars above. I don't glow like neon alone. Don't blush. It's just the wind outside. Don't rush to be by my side.
Ако Sonic Youth се ветераните на светската алтернативна музичка сцена, тогаш шкотскиот бенд Франц Фердинанд се минатогодишното музичко откритие, кое жари и пали по светските сцени. Нивниот истоимен дебитантски албум навистина се наметна како албум број 1 во арт-рокот во изминатиот период, со што само се продолжи успешната приказна која ја започнаа бендови како White Stripes, The Strokes, The Hives, Mogwai и така натаму. Додека го очекуваме нивниот втор албум, најавен за крајот на годинава, вечерва парче добра музика од нив преку темите Jacqueline, Tell Her Tonight, Take Me Out, Darts of Pleasure, Michael и Come On Home. Слушате како би звучела музиката доколку австро-унгарскиот престолонаследник Франц Фердинанд на времето оформил рок-н-рол бенд или подобро доколку не му извршиле атентат. Франц Фердинанд.
Jacqueline was 17, working on a desk when I, for a peered above a spectacle, forgot that he'd wrecked a girl. Sometimes these eyes forget the face they're peering from, when the face they peer upon, well, you know that faces I do, and how in the return of the gaze she can return you the face that you are staring from.
96 FM. Mezanin, 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 mezanin.
Come on home, so come on home, but don't forget to read.
1, 2, 3. Mezanin.
Beneath my feet, the coldest calm falls through the molten veins, cooling all the blood to slush, congeals around again. Oh, la 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 la. Oh, 40 feet remain. down, looking down, down, down again. Oh, la 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 la.
.96 FM Mezanin. Jedan, dva, tri. Mezanin. 96 FM. Мезанин, 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 мезанин.
You are the latest contender. You are the one to remember. You are the villain who sends her. Light or dark, fantastic fashion. I know that you will surrender. I know that you will surrender. I want this fantastic passion. We'll have fantastic passion. You can feel my lips undress your eyes, undress your eyes, undress your eyes. Words of love and words so measured, words are poison, darts of pleasure. Die, so you die. You are the latest adventure. You're an emotion avenger. You are the devil that sells her. Light of dark, fantastic passion. I know that you will surrender. I know that you will surrender. I want this fantastic passion. We'll have fantastic passion. You can feel my lips undress your eyes, undress your eyes, undress your eyes. Skin can feel my lips, they tingle, tense anticipation. This one is an easy one. Feel the word and melt upon it. Words of love and words so leisured. Words are poison, darts of pleasure. Die, and so you die. Super fantastisch. Ich trinke Shampoos without fish. Ich heiße super fantastisch. Ich heiße super fantastisch. Ich trinke Shampoos without fish. Ich heiße super fantastisch. Ich heiße super fantastisch. Ich trinke Shampoos without fish. Ich heiße super fantastisch.
Мезанин. Меѓупростор на Радио Равел.
Меѓупростор на Радио Равел во кој слушаме многу добра музика. Лека полека стигнавме до магичната рок-н-рол леди, британката PJ Harvey, која минатата година не почести со прекрасниот Aha Her, на некој начин навраќање на незините корени со вметнување на сето животно искуство од изминативе 10 години, откако е на сцената, нели? Црвен фустан, црвена гитара, црвен кармин и голема енергија од сцената се елементите што ќе ги добиете доколку ја гледате PJ Harvey во живо, а доколку останете на оваа фреквенција во следните 15 минути, ќе ги чуете приказните за срамот, дрогата, љубовта, низ темите Shame, Who the Fuck, Slow Drug, Desperate King, Kingdom of Love, Seagulls и Darker Days of Me and Him. PJ Harvey.
I don't need no rising moon. I don't need no ball and chain. I don't need anything but you. Such a shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. Shame is the shadow of love. You changed my life. We were as creatures. go forward with my life, but just feel shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. Shame is the shadow of love. If you tell a lie, I still would take the blame. If you pass me by, such a shame, shame, shame.
Eden, dva, tri. Mezanin. Devedeset i šest FM. Mezanin.
Blue now is the color, love the drug I'm needing, got to keep this feeling. With the headlights burning, we're looking up for something, answers on the ceiling. Watching out the windows, watch the way the wind blows, soon it will be morning. Still the question lingers, I twisted around my fingers. Could you be my calling? Could you be my calling? See this winged leading. Arrows that he's turning. Need to keep this feeling. Slow drug in the morning. With the headlights burning, looking out for something, something that we're needing, Still the question lingers, twisted around my fingers. Could you be my calling? Be my calling.
Eden, dva, tri. Mezanin.
Oh, love, you were the sickly child, and how the wind knocked you down. Put on your spurs, swagger in the desperate kingdom of love. Holy water cannot help you now. Your mysterious eyes will not help you. Selling reason will not bring you through the desperate kingdom of love. There's another who looks from behind your eyes. I learned from you how to hide from the desperate kingdom of love. At the end of this burning world, you'll stand proud, face up hill, and I'll follow you into heaven or hell, and I'll become as a girl in the desperate kingdom of love.
96 FM. Mezanin, 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 mezanin. 1, 2, 3. Mezanin.
Promises, promises. I'm feeling burned. You taught me a lesson I didn't want to learn. Why did I come here? Please tell me again. Why did you ask me? Don't say you forget. I long for, I long for, I long for my home. I long for a land where no man was ever known, with no neuroses and no psychosis, no psychoanalysis, and no sadness. I'll pick up the pieces and carry on somehow. Take the broken parts together, limp this love around. Promises, promises. I'm feeling burned. You taught me a lesson I didn't want to learn.
In некаде пред крајот минути за домашната музика или поточно минути за битолчаните 3 Minutes in the Rain или 3 минути на дождот, кои представуваат нова свежа сила на македонската музичка сцена. Кога ги слушате момците, како да слушате добар британски бенд од 80-тите години, што секако треба да представува добра критика за нив, а исто така треба да им годи и тоа што вечерва ќе го затворат ово издание на Мезанин во друштво со Sonic Youth, PJ Harvey, Tom Waits и останатите музички волци. 3 минути на дождот во очекување на првиот албум издадоа EP со 3 песни, кои вечерва ќе бидат рамноправен дел од лајнапот на 113-тиот Мезанин. Bad Mets Memories, Time See My Bird Doctor. Не се секирајте, момците не пеат на битлски, туку на англиски. 3 Minutes in the Rain.
What is going on in my head? I'm sorry if I failed for you. Resistantly thrown back. Wanna give a license to turn on the switches off. Got no film for this awkward situation. Sorry if I failed for you. Resistantly thrown back. Wanna give a license to turn on my switches off. Got no film for this awkward situation. Sorry if I fail. No reason why. Can't give a license to turn on my switches on. And I'ma go by. No reason why. That thing up on my head is something I don't care anymore. Got no feel for this awkward situation.
96 FM Мезанин. 96 FM Mezanin.
There are migrants keeping it. Like free speech.
Mezanin.
Look at these hoardings on the capitalism.
Međuprostor na Radio Ravel.
Mass unemployment. Rough smooth, arsehole wank. We've got 5 men on a dollar in Britain.
Muzička emisija.
We've got to get the working class back to
Mezanin.
work. Ordinary people back to work. No Queen, no Charlie Boy, and no British and no America. And no
96 FM. Мезанин, 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 мезанин.
The Germans have just lost us 50,000 jobs down in Birmingham.
Се надевам уживавте во изминатите 2 часа од овој 113 мезанин и се надевам дека повторно ќе се дружиме следната сабота во истиот термин. Поплаки, предлози, сугестии на имейл адресата iangel@freemail.com.mk. Неа секој пат ја отвора и ви одговара Игор Ангелков. Чао, чао!
No queen. Kill the queen. No queen. It's simple anyway. I'm an old guy. It's very simple. No National Westminster Day. Private, publicised. No Britannia Hotel. That's the prostitution hotel. No Queen. No Charlie Boy. Dead. There are migrants. Right to free speech. Down the Queen.